I decided to make this little video because I had the same problems as everybody else. Everything seems to be working. You know, the lights and programming works okay. When I input my code in, I can hear something going on inside, but it's not engaging the dial in the front to allow you to lock in and extend the bolt. So I decided to find out what's going on because it didn't seem like it was that difficult. So I took these 6 screws here, 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 and here, and essentially just take the top off. I have the battery connected, so it's making it beeping. And then after that, this just lifts off. It's very simple. It's nothing complicated. And then there's 2 more screws right here you need to take out. The 2 screws here are much shorter than the other screws. Then you just lift this whole thing out, and the key to this whole thing working is this little gray thing that actually activates, and I will show you how that works. There's a little spring right here that came loose when I was taking it. So this is how it actually should look correctly. When the solenoid engages after you put in a key, it pushes a little spring down here, which allows this to move up and down, and you notice the pin going up to lock in and allow you to extend the bolt. So for whatever reason, my thing, this little part was turned let me see if I can just take it out and show you. It was turned this way, which prevented this from moving up and down, this gray part. So that's why when this thing, so like watch, if I push in my code, it comes down, but this is not moving up and down. So it took me a while to figure it out, but I did. And let me see if we can drop that out. So I put it back together the way it was supposed to be. And this part here should be sitting flush against here. It fits into here, so it should be horizontal, and then it allows this to move up and down. So watch how that pin goes up, that locks in now and allows you to turn and extend the bolt. So when this little part was turned around down here, it was pushing against the gray part, not allowing it to move up and down. So that's what a problem for me was. Hopefully that was the same for some of you. So to put it back, you just leave everything like that. Just drop this thing in and put the screws back. Hopefully this will help you resolve any problems you have. So thanks for watching, and when you put this back, you just make sure this part lines up and this oval shape over here like that, and then put this washer back on and put this back on, Just hold everything, flip it upside down, and put your 6 screws back. And that's it. Thanks for watching.